Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from 5 to Go, and today we are going to be addressing some questions and some misconceptions
A little bit.
that we have been getting about this RV
Yes.
and our life,
Right.
and RVing in general.
That
right?
too, yes.
Yeah, a lot of people have asked us a lot of interesting questions and made some interesting assumptions.
Yes.
Some of those assumptions I wish were very true.
I know. I know.
So, if you want to know the secret,
The secret.
the top secret goodies to what it takes to full-time RV, keep watching.
Yes.
But we're going to do some kind of mundane stuff because
Right.
that's what most RVing is like.
And what's our favorite thing that we have to do?
Anybody that's been watching us for a while,
Our true fans.
true fans,
know that we are
trashy folk.
trashy folk.
You see that trash bag over there
We're gonna go to
on
the
the
trash.
Jeep? We're going to go take that to the trash, and we're going to talk to you
bit.
guys
A little bit.
while we do that. This just
Yeah.
became extremely informal, and I like it.
That's how we do.
Do you have a key?
No.
I do. Let's go.
Okay. I never have a key.
I know. Oh, do you like my trash carrier? This is the bull bar on the front that keeps the bikes from hitting the Jeep. You see this? This is damaged from the bike rack because there's not enough room between the Jeep
'Cause that's
and
a
the
thing.
motorhome and the bike rack. But it makes a very lovely trash carrier.
Holder.
That's how fancy we are.
Transporter.
That's how fancy
This
we
is
are.
how trashy folk do it.
I bought a bumper in order to carry trash. Not really. We tow from that, but let's go.
We're just taking them along for this whole thing here we're doing.
Yes.
I'm gonna put you guys outside because I need more room.
Gotta turn the music off, seatbelts on,
Oh yeah,
safety third.
safety third. Okay, I can't do it.
Okay. How does Aaron put seatbelts on?
Super exciting.
Look, she does them just like everybody else.
Yay!
Speaking of everybody else, we're normal people.
We're like the normalest people.
We are very normal people.
Yeah.
And that's kind of the first misconception I think we need to talk about.
Okay.
And I think driving in our very normal Jeep
Our very normal Jeep. It is a very normal Jeep.
it's very normal, is a great place to talk about that.
Okay.
And the seatbelt is actually messing with my microphone, so hold on one second. And like other normal people,
professional.
I go the right direction on one-way roads. So one
No comment.
misconception that we get a lot is, oh, you're in a motorhome. You must be filthy rich.
Yeah, that thing costs you what, like $1 million?
First of all, not $1 million.
Nowhere near filthy rich.
Nowhere near $1 million. And
No.
absolutely nowhere near filthy rich.
No.
We're normal people. We have just prioritized this lifestyle over a stationary lifestyle
Yep.
in a house because we love to travel.
We do, and so we spent kind of roughly what we would have spent on a house on a motorhome.
Yeah, we're not going to beat around the bush.
Yeah.
That thing was not cheap.
No, it was not.
not $1 million. It was about a quarter of the way to $1 million.
Right.
If you catch my drift.
Yes.
Not a cheap RV by any stretch of the
Nope.
imagination.
And not our first RV.
No, actually our third.
It's our third RV. We've worked our way up to know what we want and what we needed to have for
Yep.
this huge family.
Yep. And actually, speaking of that, since you brought up the multiple RV thing,
Yeah.
when we were shopping for our very first RV, we actually had a lot more money
We
for
did.
that purchase.
We
and we
did.
spent, that RV was only $40,000.
Yeah, our first RV, the 312. You guys remember it, you know. That
It was
one.
way cheaper.
Yeah.
Way cheaper. The truck was, we got it like used, it was like $18,000. Like,
We did with what we could.
Yeah, we were trying to spend as little as possible to get out on the road because we thought it would be like a year and a half.
Right.
We'd do a lap around the country and
think
then
we had
we'd
planned 6
find
months.
somewhere else to live. Like we
Right.
were actually shopping for somewhere else to live
Yep.
as we traveled around.
And we thought we found it.
Yeah, with Colorado.
Yeah, we wanted to be in Colorado. We stayed there for a school year.
Oh boy,
There's some drama with a dog over here.
dog drama. So we tried to do our first lap around as cheap as possible because we
Right.
thought we would just get out of it and settle down somewhere.
And we ate a lot of peanut butter and jelly and mac and cheese
Yep.
and ramen and that kind of thing. Like you could go back and watch those videos and you could see the foods that we ate. We weren't going out to eat that often.
No.
We did not work the first year around. We sold property, like the house that we lived in, and we lived off of the proceeds of that.
Yep.
And then when that ran out, we were like, we need to find jobs and we need to find a place to live.
Yep.
And so that's why we went to Colorado Springs.
We did.
Yeah.
And Aaron worked there. We lived there for a year, and about
Yeah.
3 months into that, we were like,
It's cold.
We need to get back on the road.
Yeah, there's two things.
The main thing was winter is
Winter
terrible.
was terrible there.
But we got stir crazy.
We did. We needed to
had to get
move.
back out.
We needed to travel. We needed to see family. We just
Yep.
needed to not be 30 hours away from everybody we loved.
Yep. So I found a job doing remote work.
Yep.
And we've been on the road since July 2019 again. 2020.
Yep.
We're working, like we have jobs. Erin does real estate here. I
Yep.
still have the remote job.
I substitute teach.
She substitute teaches, and we do this. We do YouTube.
Yep.
And that fun stuff. And that's, we're not rich at all.
No, we're not rich.
Yeah.
We-
We just, like I said, we have prioritized
Travel.
being able to travel around. And that's very hard to do when your house doesn't have wheels,
Right.
right? It's very expensive to go stay in hotels or to fly
Yep.
or to board
Train
the
or
dog
drive or-
somewhere.
yeah.
And it's a pain to load up suitcases and impose on people and stay in their houses or, you know, like I said, spend a lot of money on hotels.
Right.
So we have discovered that RVing, and specifically RVing in a motorhome, towing this thing,
Works very well.
that's our jam.
That's our jam. So once we did that in the less expensive
Bounder.
motorhome,
It's
the
a
Bounder that we
great
had for 2 years, we realized, okay, these are the amenities that we want. This is what we need. We need to find this RV.
If you go
And
back to the Tampa show,
in 2022
2022, January 2022, there is a video
of me.
that says, "This is Aaron's dream rig." And it was a 44B.
And that's what we have now.
That's what we have now.
So we manifested our dreams, if you will.
Nope. None of that. There were no crystals, no chakras, no
No.
incense, no oils, no nothing. We just prioritized
We just prioritized
we
it.
made it happen.
Yeah. And we do pay for it. Nobody gave it to us.
Dearly.
It's more than any mortgage we've had. It is.
eh,
It is.
not if you include all of the utilities and
Okay.
all that other crap.
I don't know why Brian's gonna just let me talk, because he'll probably edit all of this out because I just ramble and I just really want to talk to you anyway. So let me know down in the comments, because I always like to see what you guys comment. Like, what was your first rig, and then what did you realize that wasn't going to work and you needed something different? Like, what was that thing that said, I need something different? Was it because your kids got bigger? Was it because you got more dogs? Was it because you wanted, separate living room areas, or like you wanted 2 TVs or something? Like, how did you choose to go to a different rig? Let
Not
me know.
everybody wants an RV.
I know.
People that watch our channel, most of them
everybody have
probably don't
RVs.
have RVs. Some of them probably could not even care less about RVs.
Yeah.
Maybe they just love our smiling faces.
Is that what it is? If you just love our smiling faces, send us to Boost and just let us know. We'll go back and read them on our sad days.
Wow, sad days. The reason we took you on a trash run is because this is RV life,
Yeah.
right? I mean, yes, we've traveled around the country several times.
Mm-hmm.
We've gone to amazing, beautiful places, and we've seen
Most of them were free.
a lot of things. I mean, we've been to 48 states. We've,
We have.
done all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
But that's the minority of RV lifetime. It's doing work.
It's doing work. It's doing laundry. It's doing school. It's doing
cooking food and cleaning up after cooking food.
and trying to figure out what to do with sick children when
Going-
your living space is tiny and you're all on top of each other.
going grocery shopping and
Yep.
working on repairs and
Yep.
fixing flat tires and changing
Yeah.
batteries and fiddling
Putting
with
new
the internet
fiddly
that's
things,
being
yeah.
stubborn and
Yep.
I
So-
mean it's normal life.
All those
right?
things that you do every day, not in an RV, we probably do those too.
Yeah, but
More than
you
likely.
also have to add on a lot of the RV headaches, right?
Like what?
I have to deal with the black tank.
Oh yeah.
Every time we move, I have to hook up a bunch of stuff and unhook a bunch of stuff,
Yep.
and have to hook this thing up to tow it, and we have to do a lot more kind of day-to-day maintenance that you don't really have to do in a house.
We also have to plan our route.
Yep, that's
And-
Speaking of planning routes,
Yeah.
this video is about to end because we're almost back home, and we did want to share with you all that we have our route planned.
Yep,
For
we
later
do.
this year.
We're doing a fall route.
We are, and all of our road runners are invited
Yes.
to come with us.
You can come for the whole trip. You can come for 2 nights in a campground near your house. If we're going to be driving by, you can come
Meet
hang
us
out
for
while
dinner
we're
somewhere.
down
Like,
south.
It doesn't matter.
All those things.
Yeah, for a
So if
couple
you're
minutes or a
interested-
couple weeks.
Yeah.
But you got to be a roadrunner. So this video has been brought to you by our lovely,
Roadrunners.
wonderful roadrunners.
Those are our patrons, if you're
Yeah.
not sure what that is.
Yep.
If you want to become a roadrunner, super easy, no pressure. You can or you cannot. It's really okay either way. But you get access to a couple of other things that are kind of nice, I think.
I think the private Discord channels.
Private Discord channels. Then you get to like
There's-
talk to us because I don't talk in a lot of the
Yeah.
other ones.
There's almost a dozen private Discord channels.
Right?
And if you're not on Discord,
You
there
should
are
be there anyway.
like 30 normal Discord channels
Yeah.
for everybody. But the private ones are a little more fun. And that's also where we share things like our travel route,
Yep.
where we are right now, what we're having for dinner.
What kind of RV we're going to be buying.
Well, yeah.
There's not going to be another one of those. Sorry,
yeah,
you missed
no,
that.
This
But
is it. But they knew about it.
Yep.
Basically, as soon as we picked it.
yeah, as
which
soon as
was-
we picked it, they knew.
Yeah, several months before we made the video about it.
Oh,
we
my
do
arm.
live streams.
We do some live
We,
streams.
we need to do more.
We do.
We do Zoom happy hours.
We do.
We play games together. We meet up in campgrounds together.
We do.
We go out to dinner together. All sorts of stuff.
Yep.
So,
It's
if
fun.
any of that sounds interesting to you, 5togo.com/roadrunners.
Yeah.
If not, you
all right.
watching this video and other videos and commenting and liking and subscribing is more than enough support.
Yeah.
And we appreciate all of you.
Leave us a comment. We like those.
Yes, comments. So
We
what was your
love a
question
comment.
again?
So my question was like, if you had like a beginning RV and then you upgraded, like, or you wanted to upgrade, what were your things that why did you change?
Okay.
Like what made it different? Like we
Okay.
changed because we needed more room for the kids, basically.
And I wanted
more
to try,
living space.
like motorhome
Right.
pulling, because we didn't like having a truck.
No.
I mean, that was
Brian's
a
not a
big
truck
thing
guy.
too. I really didn't want a truck. I've wanted a Jeep for a long time,
Yeah.
so that was a big reason for the jump to motorhome.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a really good question. So let us know down below. Don't let us down.
Don't let us down. Don't let us down. Let us know in the comments down below. And then if you're not an RVer, or if you are, how else do you like to travel?
Yeah.
Like we found out that we kind of like going on cruises. We've only been on one,
Yeah.
but that was
There
amazing.
will be more.
Yeah,
There will definitely be more.
we have to save up for those, just like everyone else.
And maybe we'll do
So-
a Roadrunner cruise, right? Do you think we could fill a boat?
No,
Not the one we were on.
not a six.
Could we fill a
no,
smaller one?
I don't think so. Would you come? Like if you were a Roadrunner, would you come on a cruise with us? That would be cool.
Yeah. Food for thought.
There is food there too. There's
Lots of
food on
food.
cruises. We don't travel for food. Hashtag
right.
we don't travel for
Hashtag
food.
we don't travel for food. Okay,
But
we
do.
gotta end this.
Okay, we're good.
We'll
if
see
you
you
have
guys.
questions,
No.
don't end it yet. If you have questions, because I want more comments. If you have questions about like how we got this RV, where we got this RV, why we picked this one, we can do a whole episode just on this RV. And if you are interested in that, let me know. Like, because it's kind of a cool story.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Okay, you
Yeah.
can do your
Okay.
ending now.
Oh God, Ben's coming.
Ben's coming.
See you guys in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.